Everybody, Shane Severson here, Legacy Realty. Hey, it is Tuesday, and you know what that means. Tips Tuesday, where I'm just taking a couple minutes, sharing a hot topic or question that's on a lot of people's mind. And this week, I want to deal with something that is not so much on a lot of people's mind yet, but something that very likely could be here in the future. So I want to talk about that. And that is people falling behind on mortgages, being in situations where they can't catch up and are not sure what to do. Here's the deal. When the market settles a little bit, whether it settles a lot, settles a little bit, companies, they come out of the woodworks and they're sharks. They want to take advantage of you. They want to get their hands on a situation of vulnerability, of desperation. Trust me, I know we're not thinking this yet because we've been in really good times, but the time could come, and we know eventually the market will settle anyway, and these are things to be thinking about. We as agents here at Legacy Realty, we are here as consultants to help you. We want to steer you in the right direction, give you good knowledge, good education, and make sure that you have all the resources that are available to you to make the decision that you need to make. And here's the deal. As people start falling behind on their mortgage, a lot of people are going through this process of forbearance, which I talked about a couple weeks ago, where they take this mortgage, you can't pay it, maybe you lost your job, maybe you're coming on hard times, maybe you have a small business and business is not going great right now, and so you had to not make your payment for 3 months, and now you're coming into that 4th month and all the payments are due, or maybe they divided it by 12 and you got a lot of hard times still that you're coming out of. Now your payments are actually more. That is going to happen to a lot of people. They will be in this situation, and I'm here to tell you, before you listen to anybody else, before you hear all the cold callers telling you that, they have options for you, reach out to us. Reach out to somebody who is family, that you trust, that can give you education and knowledge for your benefit, not for their or our benefit. Here's the deal, and this is how this works. I'll take a quick second here to explain. In a good time, in a good market, where the market is increasing 7%, 8%, we've been at 10, 12%. If you hold that mortgage for your house for 6 months, 12 months, and let's say you lose your job. Let's say you get a promotion across the country and you have to sell. You don't have a choice. You lost your job or you have to move. You have enough equity in your home to have the cost of selling, with the real estate, with the closing costs, with the title fees, with all of the costs of selling your house. You have enough money to pocket some money and pay all the fees you need to get out of your house. The problem is, even if we continue at a 5, 6% appreciation, 7%, if you hold that mortgage for 6 months and you have lost your job recently, let's say you went through forbearance and you didn't make 3 payments, now you're on your 4th, maybe you're not ramped up and you have $10,000 worth of mortgage payments. All of a sudden, a lot of people are going to start falling behind, messes with their credit, and they foreclose or lose their house. Here's the deal. As that happens, you need somebody to fight for you. Be able to fight the mortgage companies for you, the banks for you. There's been lots of loan modifications in the past, short sales where you don't foreclose. Those things we'll see a little bit more than what we have here in the last few years. So if you find yourself in tough times, if you find yourself in unsure waters and you just don't know what to do, I'm just putting this in your head to get it in your thought process now. Reach out. That's what we're here for, to help you. Hope that helps. Be thinking about that. And if something does happen in your life, like it is in so many others around, reach out. Let us steer you in the direction that's going to benefit and help you. God bless. Hope that helps. We will see you next Tuesday.